Hello, welcome to my new video on how to create wealth for the year 2020 onwards. Many people assume that building wealth is something reserved for the super intelligent, or the already wealthy. However, this is not the case. In this short video I will outline a basic model for wealth building in the modern age, that anyone can do. Before we get started, you do not need to have a lot of money to become wealthy, but you do need patience and consistency. The first step to building wealth is increasing your income. Although this part isn't necessary, it isn't very helpful and will allow you to reach your goals a lot faster. Step 2 is to begin investing your income into assets that will return profits. My favorite assets to invest in are stocks that pay dividends or index funds. After purchasing assets that will make your money work for you, you will begin to see profits. The final step is to reinvest the profits from these investments back into said stocks or index funds. This is what I call the wealth machine. With the magic of compounding growth in years to come, you will see your money multiply exponentially. And that's it, that is genuinely all you have to do. Just stick to it, stay patient, and you can reach your financial goals with ease. Thank you for watching this short video. Be sure to leave a like, comment and share this with a friend who may need it. Subscribe for more related content.